never start up in my sleep. A pile of promises I couldn't even keep. I went to ProbSolvio to find a better way to automate the hustle and the burnout of the day. It gave me Macy bullets and a market research plan while I was sitting quiet with a soda in my hand. It built the brand, it built the voice, it built the whole machine. The cleanest corporate output that I've ever fucking seen. Now the software is the CEO and I'm just in the way. A biological glitch in the digital array. The algorithm's humming, a strategy for growth. Validate the data, gotta hate us both. ProbSolvio, if you wanna build a business, let the carbon go. ProbSolvio, watch the automation take the only thing I know. It's a data-driven temple, it's a silicone crown, building up the empire while I'm slowly breaking down. Looking at the metrics on a liquid crystal screen. The most efficient founder that the world has ever seen. It solved the churn, it solved the price, it solved the human soul. While I was losing every bit of my internal control. I'm a professional passenger in a self-driving firm, watching all the legacy begin to slowly squirm. I used to have a problem, but the bot has made it clear. The only real problem is that I'm still standing here. Validate, automate, scrape the logic off the plate. You're a startup founder in a verklighet estate. It's a business building riot, it's a software heist. Everything you dreamed of has been finally set it right. Shut it down, shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Yeah, ProbSolvio, if you wanna build a business, let the carbon go. ProbSolvio, watch the automation take the only thing I know. The business building is complete. Goodbye, human.